What if you never had to plug your life into a wall again? For the last decade, we have been slaves to the charging cable. Even the most rugged smartwatches on the market have a breaking point. A moment where the screen goes dark, the GPS cuts out, and you are left alone in the wilderness with nothing but a piece of dead glass on your wrist. But something changed in the labs of Olathe, Kansas. A quiet revolution has been brewing, and today, the ceiling of what a wearable can do has been shattered. This is the story of the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro, a device that doesn't just track your adventure, it survives it. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. If you're watching this, you aren't looking for a toy. You aren't looking for a sleek, fragile piece of jewelry that shatters if it hits a rock or dies after a long day of hiking in the Rockies. You are looking for a tool. An instrument. In this video, we are going to dive deep into the most advanced piece of survival technology ever strapped to a human wrist. We're going to talk about the Forever battery powered by Solar 3.0, the world's first 4,500 nit MicroLED display that makes AMOLED look like ancient history, and the integrated satellite messaging system that might just render your smartphone obsolete in the backcountry. This is the deep dive you've been waiting for. This is why the Garmin Fenix 9 Pro is about to change the world of elite athletics and survivalism forever. Let's start with the impossible engineering. For years, the smartwatch industry has been a series of compromises. If you wanted a beautiful, bright screen, you sacrificed battery. If you wanted a battery that lasted weeks, you had to settle for a dull, low-contrast display. With the Fenix 9 Pro, Garmin has finally cracked the code. They've introduced a revolutionary micro-LED panel. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total reimagining of light. At 4,500 nits, this display is brighter than most high-end televisions. Whether you are under the scorching midday sun of the Mojave Desert or navigating a blinding snowstorm in the Sierras, the clarity is surgical. But here is the secret. Micro-LED is significantly more efficient than AMOLED. It only uses power for the pixels it needs, allowing Garmin to do something no one thought possible. Pair a high-definition 120 Hz display with record-breaking battery life. But the screen is only the surface. Let's talk about the Forever battery. Garmin has introduced Solar 3.0, a new transparent photovoltaic layer that is 40% more efficient than the tech found in the Fenix 8. In the 51mm endurance model, if you spend just 3 hours a day in moderate sunlight, the watch can run indefinitely in expedition mode. Let that sink in. A world where low battery is a ghost of the past. For the ultra-runner, the thru-hiker, or the offshore sailor, this isn't just a convenience, it's a safety feature. It's the confidence of knowing that no matter how far you go, your maps, your heart rate, and your lifeline to the world will stay powered. And speaking of lifelines, let's talk about SatLink 360. For the first time, Garmin has integrated two-way satellite messaging directly into the Fenix chassis. This isn't just an SOS button for emergencies. This is a fully integrated communication system. Imagine you're deep in the Appalachian Trail, miles outside of cellular range. With the Fenix 9 Pro, you can send a "reached camp safely," text your family, or receive weather alerts in real time, all from your wrist. It bypasses the cellular grid entirely. This is the feature that makes the Apple Watch Ultra look like a city dweller's accessory. The Fenix